Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. Cryptocurrencies consolidated after Fed Chairman Powell's comment. Fed Chairman Powell calls for legislation on stablecoins. US recovers $30 million from Axie Infinity hack. Crypto startup Slide raises $12.3 million to connect new users to Web3 apps. Chicago Bulls to release NFT artwork reimagining its iconic logo. Algorand upgrade boosts speed, adds trustless cross-chain communication. Crypto influencer Coop Turley creates $10 million Coop Records music startup fund. Hyundai Motor India gets users N-line in the Metaverse. Cryptocurrencies consolidated in early trade Friday, tracking US stocks and as investors weighed Federal Reserve Chairman's latest comments on inflation. The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended up 0.6% after swinging between gains and losses throughout the day. The S&P 500 rose 0.7% and the Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.6%. Fed Chairman Thursday resolved the central bank's resolve to bringing down inflation through bulls believe that a slowdown in core inflation may encourage the Fed to halt its aggressive rate hike move. The Fed has raised benchmark interest rates 4 times this year, with the Fed funds rate now set in a range between 2.25% to 2.5%. Meanwhile, initial jobless claims for the week ended September 3 were 222,000 versus expectations of 230,000, marking the 4th straight week of declines. Bitcoin was recently trading around $19,350, up over 0.7% in the past 24 hours. ETH, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,635, up 0.9% in a similar time span. Other major altcoins too traded higher. Stablecoins should be appropriately regulated to play a role in the financial system, Federal Reserve Board Chairman Jerome Powell said on Thursday. He was speaking at a live stream interview conducted by Cato Institute President and CEO Peter Gettler. According to Powell, stablecoins should offer customers clarity, transparency, and full reserves of very liquid, high-quality assets. Powell also spoke about the potential for a digital dollar. The Fed is debating whether to launch a central bank digital currency and is taking privacy concerns into account. The US government was able to recover about $30 million stolen from online video game Axie Infinity earlier this year with the help of crypto analytics firm Chain Analysis, reports said. Chain Analysis Senior Director of Investigations Aaron Plant in a blog post said that the recovered funds were stolen by Lazarus Group, a North Korean hacking entity tied to multiple crypto thefts over recent years. Hackers stole over $600 million from Axie in March and laundered the funds through privacy mixer Tornado Cash. The US Treasury Department later sanctioned Tornado Cash for facilitating money laundering. Slide, a startup that offers user experience infrastructure for decentralized apps, has raised $12.3 million in a seed funding round that was jointly led by investment companies with a focus on cryptocurrencies, Polychain Capital, and Framework Ventures. The money will enable Slide to increase staff numbers, develop its infrastructure, and offer its product to the apps. Slide provides a comprehensive tool that keeps users inside the app with features like non-fungible token purchases made with a credit card and a non-custodial wallet that is configured with an email address rather than a browser extension. Additionally, taking part in the funding round were the venture capital division of Coinbase, USDC issuer Circle, and investment company Outlander Ventures. Individual investors included Shane Copeland, CEO of Polymarket, and former Chief Technology Officer of Coinbase, Balaji Srinivasan. Later this month, the Chicago Bulls releasing a new NFT collection with one-of-one artworks created by a number of well-known artists tasked with reimagining the National Basketball Association team's iconic logo. Since the team was established in 1966, the logo, which features a red charging bull's face with black and white accents, is unique in that it hasn't changed significantly. The logo was created by commercial designer Dean Wessel, who was offered free tickets to a game in exchange for the now synonymous image. Each piece of art will be minted as a single one-of-one NFT on the Ethereum blockchain exclusively through Coinbase NFT platform. The collection, titled The Aurochs, will be auctioned off on September 22 with a starting price of 0.2 ETH or roughly $320. The latest upgrade to its protocol, the pure proof-of-stake blockchain Algorand, has improved cross-chain communication and transaction speed improvements. State proofs, which enable trustless communication between various blockchain protocols, have been added to the Layer 1 blockchain network's mainnet. The introduction of state proofs allows Algorand to securely connect to different blockchain networks without using an intermediary. Cross-chain interoperability and connectivity have mainly been powered by cross-chain bridges and validator networks, which have been subject to high-level exploits in recent times. Algorand's upgrade is timely considering that because Ethereum is about to go from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake consensus and the merge set to take place in the next week. Ethereum's move to POS is set to drastically improve the scalability and efficiency of the network while reducing its carbon footprint. Coop, Turley, a cryptocurrency influencer and fan of NFT music, is setting up a $10 million fund to invest in artists and startup founders bringing crypto and music together. His so-called Coop Records, backed by crypto culture influence brokers from Audius to OpenSea. He will attempt to address what Turley sees as a big problem in the contemporary music industry. Labels and streaming services hold all the power. Artists lack autonomy over their creative work. In a Twitter thread Thursday, Turley said that his fund will act as an incubator, venture capital firm, and record label all in one, supporting artists in making profitable Web3 technologies of their work. Its artist seed rounds will help artists find funders who believe in their work. A small sporty SUV called the Hyundai Venue N-Line was introduced by Hyundai Motor India. It gave attendees a virtual ride in the Metaverse as a part of the event. Customers could test drive the vehicle on an oval road course, personalize it to their liking, buy or sell the vehicle, and more. The experience featured games, a picture booth, a treasure hunt, an Indian zone, a test drive track, a Venue N-Line zone, a showroom, a service center, and N-Line goods. Users were dropped off close to the event plaza after they arrived at the Hyundai Mobility Adventure in Roblox. That's all in the bulletin for now. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.